Hi everyone, it's Maggie and I'm here with a new project share, and this is a doily wall hanging using a beautiful image and some spring colors, and this is the back of it, and I used one of those embroidered and crocheted doilies for the back, and then on the front you can't really see, but I added a couple more doilies for some strength. But this is the front and that's the image, and I just love this image, and I wanted to bring out a little bit of the blue in her dress and her hairband and some of those pink flowers. So that's what I did. So I used this last little piece of a pearl necklace that I had, and that's the hanger. And after I put the image on, I just started building around her, and I used, this was an applique, and I cut it up so that I only used the flowers on it. I cut the leaves off of it. And then over here is it's like a tulip trim that I had that I had gotten on eBay, and I went up the side with that. And then this is a flower I made with a couple of appliques, and then a middle piece and a bling. And then I had these little crocheted, they were probably connectors, and they looked like flowers to me, so I added 3 here and 3 there, and then pearls in the middle. And here's a white, it's like it's a tulle flower applique, almost kind of like a wedding applique. And that's in, it's not white though, it's cream. I was thinking it was white, but it's not. That's in cream. And here you can just see a little bit. The doily that I left in the front is a tatted doily. It was tatted around, the middle piece that you can't see was just fabric, and then all the tatting went around it, and I just loved it. Someone gifted me that, and I wanted to use it on this one. And so yeah, you can see here and there. And then here's another piece of an applique, and I use these little blue and pink rolled tulle flowers from a a by the yard trim that I just cut the flowers out of. And then in the middle of these flowers, I used these blue acrylic with rhinestones. And then let's see, down the bottom, on the back, I'll show you, I used a pink fringe in the back, and then I added 2 layers of this dangle trim here, and then a layer of this one here. It's a flower dangle, and then this little dangle trim here. And then I added this applique piece. This is a by the yard piece, but you can cut them singly. And I just added this beautiful blue and rhinestone flower center from my stash. And I apologize for Brady barking, but my daughter-in-law just came in with my grandson, and of course he has to greet them with barking. So anyways, that's it. I even though it looks like a lot going on, I kept it fairly simple, and I just wanted to bring out the colors in the image. So yeah, that's it. That is my doily wall hanging. And I think I might have said in my last video, I'm going to be having a 5,000 plus giveaway soon, and I'm trying to figure out how I want to do it, and then I will put the video up. But it's just going to be a true giveaway. It's a subscriber appreciation. You're not going to have to do anything except for probably comment something in the the comment section. And that will be that. And then the other thing is I'm hoping to start going live soon to do some tutorials and start to finish work. I finally got my my external webcam working, and that's what I needed to do. So hopefully I'll be starting that soon. And I don't know when I'll be doing it. It might be some night during the week rather than daytime or on the weekend. But anyways, that is like in the near future. Hopefully by, let's say by the 1st of May anyway. So that's it. That's all the news that I can give you today. And I will be back again soon with another project share. So if you'd like, leave a comment. Let me know what you think. And I'll see you soon. Bye for now.